Good morning! Ayan, preparing another Arabic coffee, ay Saudi coffee. So that's it. My coffee. And we're boiling now the Saudi coffee. And here is the heater. As you can see guys, ayan, I'm heating on the heater, so it's fully full. And also we have this a small taquery for another tea, but doesn't have a water yet. So I will finish this heater so that we can make now a hot tea, hot cha. So ayan, this is the Arabic powder, and this is our tea, Rabia. That's the brand, Rabia tea. So ayan guys, every morning all of this is always preparing. Thank you.